Y'all a demo on the 442 Cutlass about put back together. We still gotta put the brand new chrome bumpers and stuff like that on, but trying to debate on what we doing for a motor yet. If I'm doing it, we LS5 and then we put an original motor back in there, the 350 Rocket or whatnot. Let y'all check it out.
Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting.
I'm really feeling this car. It's been a long time coming on this car. I felt like it was me. I had to be very patient on a job this big. It's just, when you want everything to come out right, you gotta be patient. Everything on this car is pretty much new. We did door skins, quarters. We got brand new chrome bumpers. I mean, just look how good all that. When you go new versus just new, just do new. Ain't no reason to try to refurbish nothing, clean it up. When you go new, you just get a better look. It just helps small details. I mean, look how the mirrors, the door handles. When you trying to put your car together and you put a nice paint job on it, you keep old key locks, old this, all that, you notice the difference on the details. To me, I did hand stripe those first time, which I think they came out pretty nice. You know, the hood is normal for me, but doing the side of the body on a 442, that was my first time hand striping them, painting them on. Definitely. This color combo is unique to me. It looks very classy still. You take the wheels off, this is like a stock car. And that is, if you can see, these stripes are brown. Even though on the camera they look like a black, it is a dark brown. Gonna match the Stay Fast chocolate top.
Both and
No.
Thank fish. Cutlass.
Yeah. I said a lot of work on this car. All new bushings, frame off restoration, quarters, doors. Doors, we did one of them half a skin. Did some brakes, disc brakes in the rear. Actually, we had disc brakes for the front. They got lost in the mail. Customer never figured out what happened with it. Got them billets on there. Of course, this ain't the stance it's gonna be. Once the motor get in, lower that, and probably change the rear. New floor, we still gotta finish blacking that out, do a couple seam seals, throw the carpet in. Know where that cap at for that wheel. Engine bay, everything, like I said, was touched. That's all dusty, that'll clean back up. Man, about 300 hours in this build. It's a lot of time. And you know, always, body gotta be straight. That body must be straight.
Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting. Perry been shooting.
Lost a lot to the streets, still in a hustler. A generation when I flush. Let them think it's sweet, like a candy pane. Made me call a D-town custom. I talk, but they ain't saying nothing. You know it's game on when the hoes out. 10 years in the shit, nigga want some more. Now fuck all that plan and bring all the wits out. Yeah, the cars are closed, the cash in the holes. Yeah, straight from the bottom.